how's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today is the 10th of April. It's 8:30 in the morning. It is a miserable day outside, but spring has sprung in the UK. We had a few days last week where it was just gorgeous weather. Kids were in the garden and we kind of just enjoyed the weather and let the house go to poop, so to speak. So this is a speed cleaning video, as you probably could tell by the title. I am gonna spring clean the house. The girls are just watching telly quite nicely together. They've had their breakfast, they're still in their PJs. But we need to get this done. I need to clean the house. Every single room needs doing. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. And we're gonna make my house look less like the toddlers that are in charge of cleaning it, to be honest. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But without further ado, let's clean this bitch. guys, it is now, what is the time? Let me have a look on my computer. I started cleaning at 8:30. It is now exactly 1 o'clock, and I'm finished. I have had to make dinner for the girls, but I've basically not stopped. So I think I've done, look, 5,500 steps just cleaning the house, and my house is tiny, so it's quite good. So this is the conservatory all done. I'm going to quickly walk you around the house so you can just see everything all done. These are on here at the moment just because that's where we're growing them, because it's a little bit cold to put them out, but they are like amazing. Like these were only half the size yesterday, but we don't care about that. Bob's bed's all done. All my background is nice again. This is all neat and tidy where it should be. I've just got a handbag to sort out there. Everything here is good. This is the room I was dreading doing. But these two had their lunch, as you saw, whilst I was doing it. And now I'm bribing them with their tablets so they don't make a mess before I finish filming. So everything's all nice and tight. The only thing I haven't done is change the sheet on this, but that's only because the other one is in the washing machine, so I haven't got one to put on it. Bathroom's all done. Everything's all neat and tidy where it should be. Nothing on the windowsill because that annoys me and makes it look dark. The girls' bedroom's all done. And then our bedroom. I want to get another one of these bed sheets because I literally just, I strip it, wash it, and then put it straight back on again because I love it so much. This down here is just the girls' Play-Doh tub that I have to hide from them, otherwise they just play with it all the time and make a mess. Dirty washing, and then that box underneath is a memory box of Mika's first birthday things. All the other ones fit on top of the wardrobe, but that one's too big. And then the final room is the kitchen. And the hallway's done. Not that it's a very big hallway, but it's done. Washing machine's on. Kitchen's all lovely. All I've got is a little bit of washing up from the girls' lunch, and then I'm about to start making a chilli. So yeah, that was me cleaning the entire house, and it took 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 4.5 hours of pretty much constant cleaning. But I have like steamed all the floors and hoovered everywhere, like moved the sofa as you saw. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I hope you liked it. So thanks for watching.